Deodorant. Okay, this is a quarter. See how the front is detailed?
Yeah.
And the back is like really detailed even more?
Yeah.
Okay, when I flip it, just watch the quarter, and as it'll go higher and higher each flip, then you can see like the Statue of Liberty. Okay. You have to watch it really close. Okay, it's going higher. Oh, I knew you were gonna do that. This is nice. Wow, how cute is that? Drink some fucking glue. I'll take a shot of fucking glue, I'm sorry. Same damn difference. God, I can't it's not coming out open. There you go. It's like cum. Just. Alright. And as you can see, it's pretty empty, isn't it? Look at the glue. Look at the glue bottle. It's empty. Yummy. That's what all you got. This is our judge over here.
Yeah, that's Judge Mason. The one we got, Judge Mathis.
It's one for Jordan, like one throw. One throw.
I know, but that was one throw. We only got 5.
Go. That's 1 point for Trevor. Two throws for Jordan.
1 for Jordan, 0 for Trevor.
What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
1 hit on Jordan.
Oh, yeah, 1 hit on Jordan. See, you move, you go like that. I just sit here and take it out of it.
That's 1 hit for both, and both of y'all have thrown. After this, both of y'all will have thrown 3 times.
See, I didn't. Yeah, you did. You go like
Okay.
that.
This is 4th throw, Jordan.
Like that. See, you
It's
move.
tie game, y'all. Oh, that's 2. This is your last throw, Jordan. You better hope you hit him so y'all can go to a tiebreaker.
I think I won more.
Oh,
If I hit it, then I win.
no, I still get
Uh-uh.
No, you don't, because you only get 5 throws.
Down C, what do you move? You
No.
move.
Okay, the tiebreaker. We will throw 2 each. Y'all both throw a shoe and a football. Y'all throw the shoes after the football. Okay?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Was that a hit? Time for the shoes. Direct hit. Do you give up?
Another point for Jordan.
You get to throw your shoe now.
Oh, Lord. No, you are. I didn't. That's how you threw it. I'm like,
Direct hit. Okay, looks like we're going another round.
Another point for Trevor.
Oh, it hurts, Debbie. Yeah.
Tie game.
All right, come on, hurry up. Come on, it's taking too long.
Okay, throw a shoe. Zoom in on the direct hit.
Another hit for Trevor.
Oh, that was a move.
Dude, don't throw it like that.
Yeah, that's how you just threw
I
it.
threw it like that.
It's better this way because it comes down with more force.
Hey, Kevin, this thing. Direct hit again.
Trevor gets not a talk as you move.
No, it's alright. Now this is the tiebreaker. We gotta find.
Don't flush it yet. Flush it.